What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So as you guys know, I got the new 190E right here. Damn, I just noticed this. Got a little bit of gas on my paint, but look what I did. A little bit of clean, very clean exhaust work has gotten done, and this exhaust work that I got done today is absolutely immaculate. From the back, I took off the resonator, right? I replaced it with a they called it a cherry bomb. I don't really think it was a cherry bomb. It's a little bit more freer flowing resonator. And then I did from the resonator all the way back, I did just a full straight pipe. So it sounds absolutely amazing right now. Here's a clip right there. Honestly, I really am liking the sound of the 190E at this point. I'm trying to get it a little bit more raspy, a little bit more of a rumble noise. I like when the inline 6 has a little bit of rumble to it. So for right now, I'm going to go with a setup that allows this car to have a little bit more rumble, just like it has right now. So I might get a freer flowing catalytic converter, because even still with a catalytic converter, this thing is very restrictive. I don't like the restriction that it has on it right now. I'm gonna try to keep a little bit of restriction, because of back pressure. These engines really love back pressure. It has the M103, the inline 6 2.6 liter, and they really like a little bit of restriction. A little bit of back pressure is not a bad thing with this engine. So I'm gonna keep that into account. That's why I'm not really going catless on this. More of a free flowing muffler type, free flowing catalytic converter type of guy on these. Yeah, because I've been talking to a lot of guys that have the 2.6, and a lot of them are actually saying that once you do a free exhaust, they lose power down low. I'm not trying to lose power down low. I feel like down low is the sweet spot for where these cars perform. Once it starts to get to the top end, I feel like it drops off a lot. That's how I feel. Once it's at probably like 6K RPM, I feel it dropping off a lot. But from down low all the way to about 6K, these things make tremendous power. The power is so smooth, and so that's what I want to keep. That's why I had to just go with this clean setup back here. So clean. It just look at it. That right there is just so clean back there. It just matches. But the color theme of this car for right now, that color tip, the chrome tip with the chrome lettering, the chrome logo, the chrome 2.6, it fits so well together. But I don't want that much chrome on this car. I'm thinking about gold rims, gold accents everywhere. Just imagine this color blue right here, right, all around, and then just gold accents everywhere. I'm talking about logos gold, just so much stuff, so much detail. Of course, the lug bolts gold, so many different details that I could do with this car, this actual car. But this isn't going to be a very long video at all. Just wanted to touch base with you guys a little bit about the first modification that I've done to the 190E, which is an exhaust modification. Trying to find some headers right now. Can't really seem to find any, so I might just skip out on the headers. Just wait until I get the turbo header for when I do the turbo. Electronic fuel injection is coming soon. Don't forget about that. Remember, this thing is going to be full EFI. I might be doing a standalone system. I don't know yet. Haven't got there, but for sure EFI is going to be the first big upgrade. The exhaust from the resonator back was just a small upgrade, something that I needed to do, something that I wanted. I don't like how quiet the car was. This is a US spec car. They come with catalytic converters, all that, so naturally these cars are very quiet. I don't like driving around in a quiet car at all. Next is probably going to be the y'all hear that giant turbo? What has that turbo? Oh my god. But I don't like the fishbowl look on this right now, so next is probably going to be dark tint, probably like 5% tint, something like that. The major upgrade, like I said, is going to be the EFI. But that's it for right now. Not gonna say too much more than what I've already said. I'm gonna let you guys get back to your day, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I see a lot of you guys are watching these videos. You guys aren't liking, commenting, and subscribing, so go ahead and do that. Show me some love. Also, share this post. If your mama watching this, your daddy watching this, everybody watching this, it makes my day better, because then I get closer to monetization. All right then, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a beautiful day. Bye.